Hi, and as you can see, we're rolling down the road. We're on our way to Rayford Crossing, which is north of Houston, to see family for Christmas. So it was a cold day. This is when the Arctic blast hit, and you're going to hear me talk about it quite a bit during the recording there at the park. But traffic was great until we got into the Houston area, of course, but even then it wasn't too bad. So come right along.
In a quarter mile, use the left 2 lanes to turn left onto Rayford Road, Sawdust Road. Geneva Drive for half a mile.
It is Rayford Crossing. It sure does look different, doesn't it?
Yeah, they put up a new fence. I'm not recognizing it.
Oh, they sure did.
They did all this fence stuff.
Keep right.
It looks different.
It does.
I guess that's, is that the new part?
Yeah.
Destination will be on the right.
Hey, where are my gloves?
Right there, you're on them. Wow, this looks different.
Yeah, it does. Found another glove wheel.
Okay. Hang on. We're ready to straight. Go straight to the left.
Yeah, I mean, that's what I'm saying. It's the normal way, but I'm wondering if they got a new registration area down here.
Yeah. Well, there's this.
Boy, that's totally different, isn't it?
It sure is. Huh.
It's raining.
Tanner, you just stay in here with the G-Dog,
Okay.
and I go check in, and then Grandpa undoes the pickup. No, Diesel, you're going to stay here with Tanner a little bit more. No, it's not time. You can't go in the office. Hi, everybody. We are at Rayford Crossing. It's in Spring, Texas, which is outside of the Houston area. It's north of Houston. And we're staying in their new section. It opened this year, and it's really pretty. So I'm going to give you a little tour around this area and then the old area. This is the clubhouse slash office slash activity area. They have the dog park right here. She said that they moved it because of construction. It used to be in the back of the park, but now it's here. So I'm not sure if that means that they're going to keep this park here and then make another one in the back, or move this one back to the original site. But I really like it here, and I hope they make another one in the back. But I love having the fenced in areas where you can take your dog off the leash. There's a pond in the back, as you can see, and it's catch and release. And out into the distance there, you can see the new section. And there's our bus right there. So going on around, we're now kind of starting to see the older section, or I guess I should call it the original section. They have men and women showers and bathroom, little male area in that building right there. And then right here is a hot tub. And we're here when the Arctic blast came through, and believe it or not, the other night I was walking Diesel, and I took him to the dog park, and I kept hearing someone talking, and somebody was in this last night, so it must be nice and toasty. But man, I'd hate to be them when they got out of this water. I swear the water on them would turn immediately to ice. But anyway, looked like he was having a good time. Over in that area is a swimming pool, so we'll walk over there in a little while. And this is the office area as well as a game room area, and I think exercise equipment is there as well. They've got a ping pong table way down there that we've used before. And everything's kind of closed up today. But I wanted to show you this. Oh, it looks like this is an area to have your picture taken. Sweet. I have to at least get Diesel on there maybe. Our bus is right there, as I mentioned a while ago, and we are in site 124, which is right across from this area where you have the pond and the dog park. And again, I don't know if that's temporary or if it's permanent. The jacuzzi and the pool and the shower house and bathrooms, mail area, and laundry. Here's the swimming pool area. Sure wouldn't want to be in there right now. But they have some tables here. Of course, the lounge chairs and so forth. Right now, because of the freeze, they have the bathrooms locked and turned off and closed and so forth. The water at our site is temporarily on. But then they're going to turn it off again tonight because of the freeze. I love it when they have music piped outside. It just seems like it makes things come alive a little bit. But as you can see here, they have some shuffleboard. They have horseshoes at the end of this, and then the barbecue area is under that shelter right there. I think no matter what cell company you use, you're going to have a good signal because you've got those two towers there, as well as that one right there. So we have AT&T and T-Mobile, and we have pretty good coverage right now. And again, this is part of the new section. So they've got some beautiful grass, nice and clean and new. And we'll walk over to that building right there and see what's there. All right. Probably can't see it very well because of the reflection, but this is a laundry room, or it's going to be a laundry room. Pretty big, isn't it? And around on this side, what do we have? There's no signs up yet, so those are either showers or restrooms. And outdoor shower area. Nice. The other side of the laundry room. Another shower area. That'd be great to wash Diesel. And of course, again, these are closed because of the freeze. But I guess those are restrooms. Must be restrooms on the other side as well. Maybe it's a restroom shower combination. I bet that's what it is. Okay, believe it or not, this used to be a beautiful, very, very, very nice dog park. Right in this area, they had one section for like smaller dogs. And then right over here, they had the larger section. And we are in the back corner, the back west corner on the right, if you come into the park. And this is where I don't know if they're gonna rebuild and put a dog park back here or just keep it up there at the clubhouse. But the park now is so large, you would think, or I would hope, they would have both dog parks, one back here and then one up in the front where we are. But this is the old area, or the original area. I shouldn't say old, that makes it sound like it's not well kept, but it is. It's very, very well kept. This is another peek of the original area of the park. I'm just gonna walk and let you listen to how nice and quiet it is. Isn't that great? I love it.
In 1/4 mile, turn right on South Plum Creek Drive.
I took him out there, but there were a bunch of deer. About 8 that I could count, maybe more.
Turn right on South Plum Creek Drive.
Right there.
Well, he was, I don't want to charge. Off 45 outside of Huntsville. You know, he doesn't look as tall with the trees around him getting taller now. He used to stand taller than them. There he is, 64 feet tall on a 10-foot platform. Oh, this is really cool because I think we're coming up upon a self-driving truck that they're testing. Watch.
That's a self-driving truck. See a thing on the side, on the front. That's the camera's self-driving truck. He's in there, but it's some kind of camera system.
Well, that's all we have for this week, and I hope you had a wonderful Christmas and have a very safe and happy New Year. So, see you in 2023.